Hello everyone, today we are going to fix a challenge, video not playing, missing code 0xC00D5212. While we are trying to play some kind of videos, it gives a warning or a notification saying that this item was encoded in a format that is not supported. And after that, they shows a code 0xC00D5212. So today we will fix this issue in two methods. Before we fixing the issue, if you did not subscribe yet to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comments. So now let's jump to the computer. Well guys, these are the video I want to play, but after I click this to play, it shows this message that this item was encoded in a format that is not supported and giving me this code. So now we will fix this issue. So let's try method 1. So to try method 1, you need to go to Microsoft Store, click on this Microsoft Store, and on the right hand side search bar write AV1 and it will give you a option AV1 video extension app. Click on that. After you clicking on that, it will search in the store and this AV1 video extension will come and it's free, so you click on get. Okay, so after you clicking on get, it will start to download, and depending on your internet speed it will download to your computer. As mine is already downloading and it will install automatically, so it's already installed in my computer and it will show you option says launch. Okay, so now this product is installed in my computer. Let's try the video now if it is playing or no. So those are the videos I have. Let's try. No, it's not playing, it's still the same. So let's go, we will try our second method, method 2. So to try method 2, just go to Google, write HEVC and search in the Google, and in the first one where it says free download HEVC video extension, click on that. After you clicking on that, this page will come, so you need to scroll down and where it says download, and it says download HEVC extension, so click on this download. After you clicking, this page will come and where it will show you a couple of versions and your Windows like 64 or 32-bit. So for me it's 64-bit, the second one. I will click on this download. So you click on this link and it will download. After you download, it will come to this folder and you can see now it says HEVC extension from device menu is already installed. So that's the reason it's showing in my computer is reinstalled, because it is already installed in my computer. Now after you install, let's go back to those videos if it is playing. See, now these videos are already changed, thumbnail are already changed. If we press now, yes, you see these videos are playing now. It means this issue is already solved. Let's try another video. Yeah, let's try this. See, if I clicking, this video also playing. So that means our issue is solved.